bafethu i-left back position eKaizer Chiefs ayina competition. Any reason alone nguSifiso Hlanti umjita i-quality zakhe zimenza ngabe na competition by left back umjita. So ngicola ngalo way ngoku if uyaqala udibana ne-channel nale content ngicela ucofa subscribe sikhona everyday information ne-videos ne-content. So yeah, Sifiso Hlanti yabo PSL like for umuntu obukele PSL for iminyaka emingaka njengami sihlala sibona bakhi players bazibiza bathi nguShaka Zulu, like iplayer isuke eDurban and strong bathanda ukuthi nguShaka Zulu, but for him the real Shaka Zulu nanki apha Kaizer Chiefs Sifiso Hlanti left back. So it's quality zayo ngizoxelela bakuthini yenza ba umjita abe ngu the real Shaka Zulu and isengana competition pha Kaizer Chiefs. Number 1 Sifiso ilawe yona way basic of balekileyo, especially team efana neKaizer Chiefs. Sifiso uyakwazi ukudlala idisk, uyakwazi u-21 we touch technique. Sifiso ngokuyi defender ungakulinga umpress kakhulu, otherwise uzokubetha, uzokushaya nge10 okanye nje nge-touch because umnandi like bone technically. Number 3 ke left back leyo. Usibini Sifiso the physical power. If ucofana uzavela umpush nje asuke ebholeni okanye uzoshielda ibhola asuke azova grand, and strike ezininzi PSL zikhona but not ezininzi kakhulu, azilingani nomjita ngamandla. Number 3 uSifiso for left back ungamboni ngathi heavy, unaso speed, pace, acceleration, yajuluka isitulo naso, yakwazi uvula impondo umjita. Cofana uziwinga wena uzovela ubeka ibhola espacini and then uzombonisa izithende azova grand usikhandi yasuka umjita. Number 3 Sifiso unayo ilawe ability uba isema kahede because umjita unayo iroof mos, yakwazi urufa embona nawe say height yakhe, yakwazi udefender okanye score goal njengoba simbonile, I think was 2 weeks ago. Okusine uSifiso experience ebhaya PSL, like dala wadlala PSL umek, like before afike Kaizer Chiefs Sifiso wadlala ngamaZulu for more than I think 2 seasons or 3. Sifiso wasuka pha wadlala iVets ngoba wadlala 2-3 seasons like iVets. So by the time afike Chiefs experience ikhona a short. Uhlanu Sifiso fit like in terms of like like fitness, like physical fitness, but if fitness as an athlete like some should just spana gym. Lamno wabuya injury noma ngange 6 months or close to 8 months, and then most players xa ubuya injury ende kanje ubuya kancane like ufumana 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. uSifiso ngikhumula day yabuya ngayo wadlala against Stellenbosch M108 kangoSeptember ngazibhini, wadlala 90 minutes phofu la game yakhe extra time, la match yakhe penalty wadlala 120 minutes bakula game, and then wadlala 90 minutes 90 like since September, like high fit la tsotsi ngibani wenza lo wezangu ake kunwenza lo usuku injury 6 months so udlala 90 minutes every game. Yeah, Sifiso Hlanti ke lo machita, fitness, technique, pace, ilawe height yaheader, ilawe ne physical strength. That's why ngibona ana competition umshita kunzima for about happy Mashiane makwazi umchallenger umshita. Happy black and happy unayo like natural skill as a player, like if ngibona xa receive ibhola nxa ithena nxa ipasa natural footballer umshita umnandi, but ke kunzima for uma challenge uSifiso because akanazo ezinye attributes ezimenza ba okay maka stand out umshita, especially as a left back. Ba happy akacaci ba left back okanye iwinger akanaso speed okanye ilanduze midfield, but sake sincokole ngenye imini ngo happy Mashiane, otherwise play grand emncane umjita qha khona problems ezimenza bomjita career yakhe mayingathathi, but so sincokola ngaye ngenye imini ngalo week ka happy Mashiane, otherwise bethetha ngoSifiso Hlanti namhlanje akana competition. Even the light kunye light like Chiefs reserve team twangulawe dlala left back intswemla light makana light yeah la light banegama le-English nibele umtshana left back emfitshane sengathi stock so unqeqe Ntswembu if ukusela khumula igama layo ngicela ungixoxe lapha ki-comments bafethu but nayo mtshana kunzima from break in Chiefs because Sifiso uyambona nawo njani otherwise yeah machita if uyaqala udibana le-content nale channel and uyithanda uyiva uyithanda uyibonayo ngicela ucofe usubscribe ezi videos zikhona every day show bafethu nicinga ntoni na ngoSifiso phofu ngicela ungiqala lapha ki-comments ba uNiSifiso unibona njani watch bafethu cela ni subscribe watch